Hi everyone, this tutorial is how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Pivot table is a feature in Microsoft Excel that allows you to create summarize tables automatically instead of you create for each column a summarize formula. After you watch this video, you will be able to create pivot tables in order to easily your work. This is the initial file in Excel. This is a blank sheet, as you can see here. I will create with you the steps since build a table when we will simulate a scenario like a product in a store, okay, and the orders. And until the summarized tables created by pivot table. So let's start. We'll create like a column called order, product number, customer number, quantity, unit price, and total price. Okay. So we'll create some assorted values, but before, for total price to facilitate your job, I will create here something like that, equals column D multiplied by column E, and press enter. If you had problem, you can delete this, put equals D multiply column E, and press enter. Okay. Order, we can create order 1, for example, product 10, customer 100, quantity 30, price unit 30. Okay. Order 2, products 20, customer 500, quantity 4, price 40. In this case, we put the formula here in this corner, and we put until the 7 line to simulate our example. Order 3, product 50, customer, quantity, unit price. Order 4, products, I will repeat the products now, customer as well, quantity 3, price 4. Okay. Order 5, products 60, customer, quantity, unit price. And the last one, last one 6, product, customer, quantity, price 5. Okay. Now we want to know the total price. Instead of create a formula here, okay, to summarize, you can go to insert, and now appears the pivot table and recommend pivot tables to solution. Okay, there are two ways it works. I will show you the two ways. First of all, recommend pivot tables. When you click in pivot tables, you can see order, product, and some fields here. Okay, we can eliminate this because it's automatically, and put total price in sigma values. Okay, and let's filter by order. When you filter by order, you will be able to see the total by order. But order in this case is not a sum. Order is a row, and you put here in row because automatically the Microsoft Excel will put here, but we can change and put here in rows. Okay, and now we can see by rows the product and the summarize by each row. Okay, if you want to see by product, we click in product, okay, and uncheck the order, and you can see by product. If you want to see by customer, if this problem occurs, you put here in rows, okay. We have the pivot table and summarize values in this case. So we can create the pivot table in another way. And in sheet 1, we can go to insert table tab and click in pivot table. Just for us, OK, click OK, and total price I want to see, and order by but order. Remember, if the problem occurs, put in rows. Okay, and you can see by each order the price, the total price, or by product if you want to filter, or by customer, for example. Now, okay, if you want to see a set of values is infinite possibilities, you can see as well. Okay, this is the powerful pivot tables. If you have questions or suggestions, please subscribe me or send me an email that will appear after this presentation. I really appreciate your attention in this tutorial. Thank you so much, and I wish that you help you a lot. Thank you so much.